Most beginners believes the only way to earn money online is by creating product first, like an ebook, a course, or some type of software. The problem is that can take months and most people never finish. The smarter way, start with affiliate marketing, and even better, start with the ClickBank Super Funnel. Here's why. It's a fully built, done for you system that already has everything in place. You get professional landing pages that capture emails, automated follow up, sequences that build trust with your audience, and proven ClickBank offers, including high ticket products promoted through done for you webinars. This means you can start earning commissions right away without ever creating a single product. The funnel does the heavy lifting, capturing leads, sending persuasive emails, handling customer service, and delivering products. Your only focus is driving traffic, and the system takes care of the rest, working for you 24/7 even while you sleep. Click the link below now to see how the ClickBank Super Funnel helps beginners start earning online without creating a product first.